You say a banner will be no supporting a pan. Eh, mammy. The banner said, we got cool am I when I want you more. You dry a cheaper, eh, mammy. Say, be a cost why I want to remove the relationship. We never come as some actual beer. You're confident. Mostly our mothers and yet Obia can't as I'm not sure mammy be a teen and was a name beer. Nyobekano I say so yakuma ento yema and Sunday you be up software.
Everything for ready, tempany for be can woman say. I go be back our nephew to me to ready. Yes, in some way, I can't do what did that back same way for. Yen lay say a brabo mu and neno, and yen and papa. And say a yes to ban fee, this to ban tan, 10 year. At times in call for more identity, a ditch for I will some more about Victoria a year about your Hannah. Says switch TV for any interview. Now what is you? What just and the one and one see. Now for a year by your din the Hannah. Niku Eddie Jack, what a church and in same one. What's it one mammy and Niku ada. Na for Ninsem no chile say what's it on in Nikunu, woman for 3 good years, and a yamia domo, woman ya and bambino a PF mwaba. Na ne mammy su yo beer. Why ne mammy tino, a woman, or 2 and a mobile fee besra wom. Na se wo bedu wom fie wa, Nikunu, say the Nibeka mammy and wono, womutma, Nikuni timenu makowo. Na chese womu ni na se family no masire na ne omadi womu enkomo wutu tie ne kasemu a woji womu mienu ne na edi na etiefo abayu yi emra ne ra wo ne ho na chese wo kire ne nsemu wo Switch TV no wo gusu kan ne nsem bi se esanze wo trust ye ne maame ne wo no ani kru ne ti no ne maame baye as usual senya wo si ba no na wo ja ye ne maame ne wo ene ni kru ni tu anamo se wo ne mba mienu no ko asori fie aba na emre a wo mukọ no se ne baketwa no o show discomfort bi ase abibi ha no na no no tu anamo se ne on rush bre fie na anka wo mbehwa abofra no senya ebia ne ha ne bia na tu betwa na wo betimi akoba ka itefo wometu anamono makoba na we na wo bedu fia arewo sema na ni behu ye ne se wonu ani mame a wo chemo no wo no eni niku na wone na kantam awo mbofra 3 no wo mu da empemu a wo mu di empaso wagoro na abayo ha na yi insemu no wotimi hu se wo kire mu no na so wa ye disappointed papa person say ne mame a wo beto no eni niku no wo mpemu no ye obi a chese odana kumaso wo trust no na akwakoba ne sa no chese wo diwu ya papa na tiefo nsemu ya ye nia hana edi betu dwa no nkire mu bomu timi twa me ho aba na me de abesom etiefo na me ya wo sem ya esi wo ye nia ba hana na brabo mu a chese dika no matumi safe ye nia ba ekuabroni a chese ne ho nye na uhia na chese dense won sabeka no ye busy papa nso we nya mre na monti ekuabroni
wow
we dan wo fe say dan wo Patricia dey not to chen you akwaba na miniaba o hwesa we wo sem ya atu ye nia ba ya then I would fam. Then you won't so a sign up a fam.
No, I'm an idea. I'm going to treat your peace. No, I say, and you're ready if you're ready.
That's so time.
We have a son, I may say, as an answer, my day, my dream, ever back assembly room, use the tree room. Where the BI yet to sound so corporate. My main first make me regards and my viewers, or Mooney, why you now, member, I send you so, like I said. yeah, some way say, oh, it's either normal. It's something that we normally hear. Even though make us say it's normal per se, but it happens and we've been seeing it. Yehuda, yetada.
Okay,
Now-
mommy specify. Not normal to take, but it happens
Yes, it's
normally.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. It's something that day in, day out, yes,
Yes.
so say people go for the issues be saying, but now Bible they didn't count what did I say, and say trusty obia.
Okay.
Say oh mom, you say oh panipa back person trust no the supreme being. And apart from that, say a bear and phone so say, yeah, make a phone so there's a mistake, won't
No correct.
a bear and phone so say bet trusty nipa oh na or car say men trust obia when you mommy if you when you papa if you. And now when you pastor if you or see men trust obia or nipa bia or body bia men trust obia. Na meka say a little bit of a mistake from the girl side. Say nkofu mienu omoye omanom alcohol.
Opposite sex.
And omanom alcohol.
Okay.
They drinking alone
Okay.
should make you think say anything can possibly happen.
Oh,
Even
okay.
yes, even if say say omono beda wonkola and so around. So in the first place, you shouldn't have made it happen, especially when unai mommy and unkola bia say akola bia the life mo say mistake bi ba akola ho a mommy na blame ni mo enye papa. Nti say anka sa we nti odwe sa akola no nti no the alcohol alone shouldn't have happened.
Oh, okay.
And leaving
Okay.
two adults taking in alcohol now with you or say oh him. It was a mistake on her part. Now me sound so aka say e sound so e be man phone so. And a woman me so e sound so your phone so.
Na just obi afum.
Obia won die wo. Adan woman me dey say ne nke e ba no aware bia nke kasa aware e ba nsuem na oba e na kwako aware. Ye na ni gye pa e yo maame.
No correct.
Inti yenda enso ho da yempo enje wo mpo se da se bia ye maame da achi begu ya ware amande. Nim se eba na ware no support ye pa ye maame. The eba ne se obi beko amaye won ya ware mu a ni ogina ye chi pa ye maame. Se bibi ekoso won ya ware mu the relationship mu na e ka asam atru obi a ye confident mostly our mothers and yet obia ye can asem ne try maame wie na bi eti na no asem ne bia ni obeka no ase still yakuma ento ye yema ansa na ye bi akọ sofo ni okay da akọ to sofo ni make because obi be frɛ ebusuya aba be hiem na friend say yaka aware ho asem a enye sofo.
Okay. Ejina maame no a wofuo no
enso wo say papa no bi wa akọ kan asem eche papa no hu bi dia say no mo beka say o wanya hwe de ba maame ana obete wo oba na ire wa say no tuma cho say o ebia wo ye be mampo na wo kan asem cho me o ebia then na we because ono yo oba ono test no bet first or no beto eyewu be ma no wo ye ni shoot mu.
Okay.
So what because our ebia trouble bia be ma oba no feel mo.
Okay.
Be ma make a decision. But at the end of the day, decision now go your ban and film. It's all was a man and the number two or ban shoes. On also take it so ban
experience.
Then I more ban the I feel war ban to what come once and trauma. Or better was because she's been through it. So I yes. Inti onuna if you come once and trouble catch up papa. So say baba no go to Mr. Just say, one I bema. Fred Busiano, near Shia. So I say, okay. In TPS, when any year the coppers town.
Okay.
Most of the time, they mammy. It's a bad shock. A more ban pan say, ne mammy, it's me I be sick.
Okay.
Because when I am confident of the lady, when I a big example to her, when you are supposed to support her. So in any aspect, it was not expected to say, woman, when I made the one responsible for the destroying her marriage.
Ni morals in la.
So it's a big deal. Now, so mama ni mpono. I did what trend of fitting collaborate na.
What say bibia?
So what I say, and once most of the time, we man, we pick from our mothers. Say better be born here if you mommy, better be papa if you mommy. If one say mommy cry the super and ya cry, yen a year if you am I was the person we need that to be na mention mamma to say of share. To share our biggest lesson I can if for free. Ye mommy, any training, any upbringing of the children around us, and I am so young so. Inti said the very person she has been the pillar of all the things that you know. No, after they not on as also a breaking
disappointing
like that.
This
So what I say, inti me film out girl pan say because apart from that, no, there are certain petty things that we as kids we even have issues with our mothers.
That one
day. Say or share no post say everyone cry we cranty with me we na 1 week 2 week until on kind na may way. Imagine what will happen to
exactly
relationship. The relationship between us will break cry. Esa nka mama no so a dream bisa na ebianka. But Obibeka said she's under the influence of alcohol. But me want to say we as humans we can't control our feelings when it comes. I don't see it like that. Sometimes your will to give in and then obi etimibu pepe na obi person force no so. But you see that the person fights it. I said obabu na bema person otunu mo na so it means that alcohol fala and drug where alcohol and fala so what I said. But we're talking about alcohol, not drug. And somehow, no matter how good you are, and they having that energy alone to have sex alone means that there was a will. So I
said,
yes, deep because
that they could have control.
Sex and yes, I'll turn the panel on one then. Bibi baba, see, I say, dream back side when we say they having the energy. Becca say, oh, they are under the influence of alcohol. Normal, but then they having the energy alone to go through with the sex alone should tell us that they have the power of will. Meaning they were conscious.
They could have controlled themselves.
Yes, so they were conscious enough to control themselves, and they have that will to do it. Into Oman alone, which means like the mistake on both and under the influence of alcohol.
So in this case, now under the influence of alcohol. Now shall then they lead one into it. Once I will follow be one want them into the banner corner and nama as a new into betting me a church the possibilities are a belly the man and can I say to do that.
The major thing is Obibeka said last and
okay
more so ayana oni and then some pin eba I say most of the time oba na oni normally uni sika or the befa young ones no na oni omaye we
exactly
yes and I feel so kunu no be have that kind of intercourse on also because when you one hand on baby on also the second back or share so what I say that could be a major issue. Say if you're urbano, no matter what, when you insist in she's saying enough, she's conscious of herself, she's able to take care of the woman, she's conscious of us. She's saying and she's conscious now. You should not have any emotions and sexual feelings on menopausal age class still I don't know feeling say man not me feel say akwa there's so much about ebe feel say nti mema no money omo kunu no mani omo yele no mo mani omo ni omo because any side dey bia am so me fan e bia na wunye wuye but oye won che ana eno eka ho and ebi wa ha akwa say ono oba no there is no excuse for this. I'm not saying that there is excuse for the action, but I'm talking about the possible thing that yes, we are actually finding out the exact thing that championed this action.
Sure.
It's me can say there is an excuse for this. No. But Nyameka say Ebiana send America earlier on in my other submission. They said Bema no on any one Ebiana Bema have any sexual intercourse and that or no need to ask kind of back of young boys no more.
I will feed it.
And I say me bad there it's that last no who say and I was me baba man side so men I mean sometimes their way of thinking their way of analyzing things, the way of defining fun is ridiculous. Some of them no. Say it is just fine. Say obange mame na obange. It's a joke to them. Obange obana na obange
but
mame.
it's serious thing.
Yes, it's a joke to them.
Yeah.
But they don't realize how it affects the other party. That is omoyireno. Omo won't say how does this thing affect Obano. But it's just a joke to them. And I don't think this is the first time. Maybe as a seat,
but if
because the woman being so free enough to have to take in alcohol with the guy before the lady left.
Yes.
See that.
Okay.
And then the first time.
Okay.
And I'm South American. Men they find certain things to do. So now omo share boys share. Me be ask what challenge me there. Me bange me ma me bange me in law bange me wife. No more say. No my sit there for omo there too omo no joke. So what I say, but they not normally. And I was the boys are not that emotional as compared to girls. And the way we decipher certain things, especially things like this, and just are yes,
they have different perception, impression.
That would be the problem because everything is like a joke to them. They don't
now, me say say yes awerɛwosɛm yɛ esi wɔ ɛyɛ lady ne maame ntɛm no obetumi de akyɛ maame no obetumi de akyɛ ne kunu
o maame yɛ o maame o yɛ de ya bɛma wɔn sɛ bible ne di nkan ka sɛ ɛyɛ one obi ɛwɔ ɛnyɛ sɛ one ne wɔ as a relationship but marriage where ebi nipa no a commit adultery where you don't agree with it and wotumi tena aware na ase bi mo wɔ ho kwan sɛ wɔyɛ but so option now betimi atena ase a obetimi atena ma and the way they say anko echi o maame a it is option now betimi
anu na ya asem no maame a ne kra na ya asem uti weni a
maame emba ho biom option now do be ma na betimi atena ware na ase de and they say anko echi o maame emba ho biom na eja but ebe affect nkwala no yes ebe affect nkwala se nkwala ewo a friend say our really mother affect you. Say, woman, you couldn't even fight for yourself enough. And yes, Anna, certain things that we do, we should be thinking about the kids. Mama, no, why mistake one dream, but don't make it another mistake not to think about your kids. Say, you should be able to fight for yourself. Okay. And this thing, I don't think say ebeko achieve even if it's now or any and more so dream and Kolano say. This will become a problem to the kids psychologically because normal everything else that happens like this the Kolanos who grow up and see these things
because we hear reports
you see and there has been so many cases where young Kolanos say mommy make certain things and there papa go in a family where papa they be on name ma be fie be dan we now ma meti one of us oba o ya kola be ma wo na oni a o de be your yere who dey say normal one can be bully because who dey say normal and na fe nso wo your oba nso obo nso akola oba nso be who dey say normal because o ma me ehun dey say normal and your mama was able to stand in it for a very long time. But Ebiano Mama, she was strong enough to hold on to her peace. But one who needs such strength, it maybe you may break down and this may cost your sanity. So what I said, all of these things are certain things that we as mothers should think about our kids. I say it would be better say Obano be fighting for the self. If possible, so when you are on taking yourself to therapy. Kolana didn't require copies and moving answer a therapist. No, won't take care of through therapy. No, but yes, I say these things are normal. So what I say, I feel so or no, so option our red years.
When you say and buy a rain fear, do the issue with the mommy or problem and the mommy. Like it will be a problem.
It will be a big problem. I don't see the relationship. Oh, mommy, the baby,
or the child cry.
Maybe I won't bear, but maybe I share now better than the other day. I'll better than but I'm not sure. Say the confident relationship now creating and the strong bond between the mother and daughter. because trust no enye break. I'm not sure say
na be man enso so bi be ko no so de
oh ono so benya na die say relationship no wo mu na say dia oba ne make a whole lot. I was say I didn't want nsema on temu de ana unhu so fa so sa ko say ube losing tea. Say if the woman dissolves this relationship, that is where Ononsu Behu say he has actually missed a whole lot.
If you are bringing
I know so person giant so making sure some a friend say mama Gloria friends Eugenia Yiri onji bibia.
Yeah, we say a deep issue. I can see a bit come watch say sorry yeah because it involves a lot so ahaya na di besina me pese futu we dey futu akabetu dwa ama obi bia se na e di kan boss no say it happens esisi ebia we ni enya nteye obi bia wo ko ebibi musa we shia bibisa enya ne mame mpo ne best friend just obi oben no dan akoma so ni nua fe futu kakra tu dwa
family yeah me can say me first submission me can be say me entrusty obia okay. Na me boss say me entrusty obia and there is nothing new under the sun. Things happen all the time. We are quite aware of the things that's happening every time. Na Nemeka and say me money nyawa say because esi obiso and because the person your mother is so special, your mother is so loving, and now your friend be very loving, your sister is very supportive, you know. Don't think like that. In everything, all dream one now all dream papa. And so be prepared for everything and don't give chances for certain things to happen to you.
Okay.
Make I say almost a chance, but don't be a mistake to your own destruction. You make
it's here for you boy kria broni wakasa na it means say wama deep revelations wo hwe so no wenya wo chefa ewo mu na afei so ehu behia we just sound so obi bika efa say how the person should go about the things the way I say wo jemu che say adwen chire bia wo no bomodi afato comment section wo mami afei subscribe to Tuma GH if you dey kesi say na edi dwumedie bia to mu wo na na nso edon ne boy ya na won subscribe so na wetumi a kire wadwen like and share na promote channel we efa MIA ene dey so mu nua ba mesikawo na me din kita ho ibeso mo aha na me din besi enya me pa ye besan ehia bi makwa mo